take me here?
Tell me more about this.
Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Samsung's vision has always been to inspire the world with innovative technologies that enrich people's lives. The world is going through a tectonic shift with the evolution of AI, and Samsung is taking the lead in defining AI devices that understand your context and supports you in the background, which enhances your daily life. We're deepening our commitment to bring AI to our entire footprint of devices, from mobiles and wearables to TVs and more. Now, we're ready to fully expand that horizon. The AI experiences we use today are still running on devices that were originally conceived before the AI era. To truly unlock AI's full potential, our devices must understand the user and their context in richer ways. These devices use visual data, voice input, and sensors in real time, making them truly multimodal. We believe XR devices offer this profound change for more natural AI experiences, transforming how we discover, play, and work, whether you are fully immersed or on the go. There will be a whole spectrum of XR devices, from headsets to all-day wearable AI glasses that serve different purposes throughout your day. Samsung and Google share this vision for AI to offer a new frontier of immersive and meaningful possibilities with an all-new operating system, Android XR. So, we're working hand in hand to co-develop the operating system, user interface, and hardware for this new category of devices integrated with Gemini. Qualcomm is also instrumental in powering these AI and XR experiences. Today marks the beginning of the decade of our commitment to XR and AI, and I'm thrilled to announce the first truly multimodal AI headset. Introducing Galaxy XR. To tell you more, please welcome to the stage, Ki-hwan Kim.
Thank you, Jay. As a computer vision engineer, I spent the last 2 decades in this industry helping computers to see and understand the world. Now I can honestly say I have never been more inspired by the possibilities in front of us. When we built our new XR operating system, Android XR, we made no compromises over technical maturity for an entirely new level of interaction and seamless integration with existing ecosystems, such as Android and OpenXR. And today, I'm very excited to tell you more about how our first device, Galaxy XR, pushes the boundaries of AI, computer vision, and hardware. Galaxy XR features 3 key technical highlights. First, AI at the core. We brought Google Gemini to Android XR to enable interactions that are as simple as having a conversation in the real world. Gemini can act on your behalf with your permission to answer questions, control apps, and carry out actions. Second, the perception system. On Galaxy XR, we reimagined an entirely new perception system that understands your screen, environment, gestures, what you're looking at, and your expressions instantly and very precisely. So, Gemini can understand you, your interactions, and your intent in even more natural ways. Finally, hardware comfort. We needed to design hardware that stays comfortable through extended wear without compromising the design, quality of the display, or natural interaction. None of it was easy. It required world-class experts from Samsung, Google, and Qualcomm to work together to co-design, integrate, and optimize the platform and device. This is a collaboration at a scale that the industry has never seen before. And more importantly, it's a collaboration that brings XR closer to all of us. It's been my honor to work with these teams. And today, I'm thrilled to welcome two of my closest partners on this journey, my dear friend Shahram, who leads XR at Google and is one of the true visionaries behind Android XR. And Ziad, another close partner who leads Qualcomm's XR and spatial computing efforts. Please join me welcoming them to the stage.
Thank you, Kiwan. It's great to be here. Google and Samsung have a long history of collaboration and innovation, and Android XR is the next step. Android XR was built to power emerging form factors that could let you experience Gemini in new ways, from immersive headsets to lightweight glasses and everything in between. And by building on the foundation of Android, all your favorite apps and experiences from Google Play are there to help. We're also reimagining your favorite Google apps for Android XR. Entertainment comes to life with fully immersive YouTube and Google TV on headsets. Or you can navigate a new city as if you're a local with Google Maps and Translate on glasses. Beyond your favorite apps, what really differentiates Android XR from other platforms is Gemini. With Gemini on Android XR, your AI assistant understands your context and intent to help you even more. You can ask questions as simply as having a conversation. Gemini can pull up information about whatever you're exploring, or even get things done for you with your permission. Android XR will bring Gemini to the full spectrum of XR devices. And today, we'll show you the beginning of that journey, where Gemini transforms how we discover, play, and work on Galaxy XR. Of course, all of this requires powerful computing.
That's right, Sharon. At Qualcomm, we have been investing in XR for over a decade. We have leveraged our expertise in the areas of connectivity, compute, software, and on-device AI to create industry-leading XR solutions for both immersive headsets and AI glasses. Galaxy XR is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 2 chipset, which features 20% increased CPU and 15% increased GPU frequency. And it delivers 4K resolution per eye, unlocking crisp visual clarity for spatial computing experiences. XR2 Plus features best-in-class AI capabilities with the Qualcomm NPU delivering outstanding performance per watt. Adreno graphics provide superior foveated rendering, and a dedicated computer vision accelerator enables multi-camera support for advanced perception and feature detection, all integrated into our single-chip platform architecture. Together with Samsung and Google, we brought our expertise in perception algorithms and new foveation and rendering pipelines to Android XR, allowing Galaxy XR to meld the virtual and physical worlds seamlessly. By unlocking the full power of XR2 Plus Gen 2, Galaxy XR not only renders at a new level of efficiency, but it also redefines how an operating system can leverage multimodal AI in real time. And this truly is just the beginning. We are also excited to see XR revolutionize not just entertainment, but also education, healthcare, productivity, and collaboration. Through our efforts with Snapdragon Spaces, we empowered leading enterprise ISVs to build immersive experiences using the Spaces SDK. And now, with one set of APIs and our Spaces compatibility plugin for Android XR, these developers can easily bring their apps to Galaxy XR and future Android XR devices. Galaxy XR marks the start of a strategic venture into an open, scalable, and powerful ecosystem that redefines the future of personal computing. And we are very proud to deepen our partnership with Samsung and Google to make that future a reality.
Thank you, Zia and Sharam. This collaboration has shown what's possible when world-class teams come together with a shared vision. That vision takes form in our first product, Galaxy XR, with a wide field of view, crystal clear OLED displays, premium optics, and immersive spatial audio. Galaxy XR is designed to deliver a high-fidelity, extended reality experience that feels natural, fluid, and deeply personal. Its ergonomic form ensures lasting comfort with an adaptive fit that accommodates a wide spectrum of users. By seamlessly blending hardware and software, Galaxy XR empowers intuitive interaction with your personal AI agent, where your words, hands, and gaze become the most natural interface. It redefines how we interact with this new technology. Let's take a look.
To unlock multimodal AI's full potential, AI-first devices must understand the user and their context in richer ways through sight, sound, and gestures. We started with the headset, which provides the highest level of immersion. To bring Galaxy XR to life, we had to rethink how users interact with AI. The pass-through cameras and depth sensor capture your physical surroundings with precision, providing a basis for contextual understanding. Eye-tracking cameras follow your gaze in real time to recognize what you're looking at. And advanced perception hardware and algorithms understand your head and hand movements through expert calibration and verification. Gestures and voice control with advanced voice separation technology offer full intuitive control of Galaxy XR.
Gemini, what are the people holding in their hands and why?
The people in the video are holding light sticks, which are often used at concerts.
All of this requires real-time, simultaneous processing of multiple sensors, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X R2 Plus Gen 2 chip. Of course, for the user experience to be seamless, we iterated on the ergonomics and comfort. We extensively studied diverse head shapes and employed computational design for a personalized fit and greater immersion. This is just the beginning. Galaxy XR seamlessly combines multimodal AI and XR experiences to set the foundation for an ecosystem of future devices to come, opening up a new chapter in how we interact with AI.
As you've just seen, we're laying the foundation for the ultimate multimodal AI experience. And now, we'll show you how everyday experiences are augmented with AI in XR. You can virtually travel to new locations, search anything you see, relive your past memories, and more. These experiences are all supercharged with Gemini, which understands your context and goes deeper based on what you're seeing. It's a whole new way to satisfy your curiosity. But rather than just talk about these experiences, why don't we show them to you live? Max, what do you say?
Yeah, Jen, let's dive in. So we're in New York. Where should we explore first?
Ooh, I don't know about you, but I'm a huge foodie and I have to have some pizza. I'm staying near the Manhattan Bridge. Can you help me find a place near there?
Of course, Jen. Let's get some help from Gemini. Hey, Gemini, can you take me to the Manhattan Bridge?
Sure thing. One sec while I work on that. I've brought up the Manhattan Bridge on the map for you.
What you're seeing on the screen is what Max is seeing, but he's seeing it at a much higher resolution and field of view. Galaxy XR allows you to discover Google Maps in a completely new way, from aerial view to street view. And Gemini is deeply integrated throughout, allowing it to answer questions based on what you see.
Yeah, this is incredible. I've got the bridge here, the New York skyline, but I know I'm supposed to be on the hunt for some New York pizza. Any recommendations near here, Gemini?
Okay, one sec while I work on that. Keste Pizza e Vino is a highly acclaimed pizzeria near the bridge, celebrated for its authentic wood-fired Neapolitan-style pizza. While not the traditional New York slice, it's been named #1 pizza in New York by New York Magazine and Best Pizza in New York State by the Food Network.
Okay, that's a ton of accolades. You've convinced me, Gemini. Can you take me there, please?
Okay, one sec while I work on that. I've brought up Keste Pizza e Vino on the map for you.
Ooh, perfect. Okay, let's head inside and get a sense of the vibe. What's incredible with maps in Galaxy XR is that we're able to build these full digital reconstructions of indoor spaces using just 2D imagery and AI. As you can see, I can move around within the space, I can even walk within the space, and we have over 1,000 of these available in New York City alone. But I'm in the mood for something different. What's the most unique pizza on the menu, Gemini?
Sure thing, one sec while I work on that. Keste offers several unique and creative pizzas that go well beyond the classics. One of their most talked about is pistachio and salsiccia. Instead of a red sauce, it features a fresh pistachio pesto base, topped with sausage and fresh mozzarella.
That sounds very interesting. How are the reviews?
It does sound pretty amazing, Jen. Let's find out. Can you show me some user reviews, Gemini?
Sure thing, one sec while I work on that. I've opened it on the web for you.
Okay, perfect. 4.6 stars, that sounds pretty good. Let's check out some of the photos people have taken of it. So this looks pretty incredible, and they have some other pizzas on the menu too. And if I ever want to find out more about something that I'm looking at, I can just use circle to search with Google. I can invoke it like that, and then I just draw a little circle around whatever it is that I'm interested in. And in this case, it looks like we have a rustica pizza, prosciutto, arugula. I think we rock with this one, Jen. What do you think?
I am sold. Let's definitely go for dinner.
You know what? Those glasses look amazing on you. What are those?
Oh, thanks. Well, why don't you try using circle to search one more time and find out? One of the best things about XR is pass-through, which allows you to search things in the real world.
Let's take a look. Okay, Gentle Monster. That is one of my favorite glasses brands. And I could go ahead and actually just buy these right here, but I think I might wait for the AI glasses version to come out.
That sounds cool. Me too. Galaxy XR takes you beyond discovering the real world. It also unleashes your creativity with powerful tools like VO3 in Google.
Yeah, let's try something fun. I actually want to create a video here, but I want to do it live and with the audience. So in a moment, can folks please shout out an idea for a theme for a video, like cyberpunk or something like that?
Space.
I heard Halloween and space.
I've got a few. I think we just combine some ideas here, Jen. Why don't we just do it? Create a video with a Halloween space theme with animals wearing AR glasses and XR headsets in a jungle version of New York City, and all of the animals are very, very surprised.
That's going to be very interesting. Well, while VO3 is working its magic, let's multitask on Galaxy XR. Thanks to its infinite screen space, multitasking becomes a breeze. Apps can be run alongside each other with ease, or you can focus on a single task by going into full space mode. Why don't we take a look at some photos, Max?
Yeah, Photos is one of my favorite apps. Not only can we bring in any of the 2D photos and videos that you've taken on your other devices and have them automatically backed up here, we have some pretty incredible only in immersive features too. And to showcase those, I want to share a little bit about a project that I'm working on. So my dad is actually digitizing all of his old slides. For example, here's my grandfather and my father from years ago. But I've taken this image and I've used AI to colorize it and turn it into a video. We go one step further, and in Photos XR, we can actually spatialize that video. It's really incredible because it feels like I'm stepping back inside a complete memory, something that happened decades before I was even born.
That was incredible. You can spatialize any video or photo and make it into a whole new type of memory. I can't wait to try it with my own family photos and videos.
Yeah, it's pretty surreal. And this is my first dog growing up as a kid, my childhood home. I also took this as a photo and turned it into a video. But you know what? I have no idea when this was even from. So let's find out. Hey, Gemini, when do you think this was taken?
The video was likely taken in the mid to late 1970s. Pictured are cars and motorcycles that were introduced in the early 70s and became very popular throughout the decade.
Very cool. It's like blast of nostalgia going through my past memories. And of course, recent trips as well. And obviously, my cats. And I must say, they look a lot fuzzier when they're spatialized.
Aw, they do look extra fluffy. But hey, I saw that air balloon video. Was that in Turkey? You should totally post that on YouTube. It looks amazing.
Yeah, this was actually Cappadocia. And I often do post things on YouTube. But before I do, I always make sure I edit the videos first. And fortunately, there's a ton of great editing tools in Android XR.
Very true. One of the best things about Android XR is that almost any app in Google Play on mobile is available here too. But we can go even further than that with apps made for XR.
Yeah, we have millions of apps. And they're not just available. They look great and they feel great too, even if they've been built for the phone or other devices. But it's these made for XR apps that are truly special. And you can identify them with this little made for XR tag in Play. And Adobe Pulsar is one of my absolute favorites. So let's take a look. It's a spatial video editing tool that is exclusive to Android XR. I'm going to go into my project here with Cappadocia and load this up. And to really get in the mood, I can actually go into an immersive environment here as well. That kind of sets the tone. But to get some creative help, I'm going to ask Gemini as well. Hey, Gemini, I'm editing this video to post online, and I need your help. Which of these text styles do you think would fit the vibe?
Looking at the video, polished gold or fancy metal would give off a luxurious feel, while brushed gold would add a touch of elegance. Do you want something more eye-catching or a bit more subtle?
Let's go with elegance for today, Gemini. And what's really neat here in Pulsar is that any of the digital elements you add are actually a part of the spatial scene. You notice the text is behind some balloons and in front of others because everything here respects this depth map that is inferred within Pulsar. But I think I'm going to need a better caption. Gemini, any creative two-word ideas?
2 words, huh? How about sunrise serenity or floating fantasies?
Floating fantasies. Okay, that's a bit long, Gemini. We can make that smaller and actually just maybe move it down here. And for good measure, we can also add 3D objects to the scene too. I'll just quickly add this heart because I did indeed love this trip. Place it up here, almost like a little balloon. And what's really cool is when I hit play, all of those digital elements that I added are a part of the spatial scene. So you notice that as the camera moves, so does anything that I added to it.
And you can post directly on YouTube right from Adobe. You can post it in the standard 2D format or my personal favorite, stereoscopic video, which is a spatial video. But speaking of videos, Max, where's our VO3 video?
Good point. It probably is ready by now, Jen, so let's pop back over to home space mode and check it out. But I left my windows pretty disorganized here. Fortunately, I can get some help from Gemini again. Hey, Gemini, can you please organize my windows for me?
Okay. Just a moment, please. Sure, I've tidied up your windows.
Wow, that was so satisfying for someone like me who loves organizing. This is actually one of my favorite features.
It is pretty helpful. And I see remember we did the Halloween space theme. VO has really leaned into that. Okay, so I think we actually take this one more level higher. It is a bit silly, but I want one more idea from the audience. We're gonna have Gemini narrate this video. Can folks shout out a narration style they'd like to hear, like nature documentary or something like that? A high variety of ideas out there. Let's try this. Gemini, can you please narrate this video after I play it as if it's a nursery rhyme and you're very enthusiastic about it?
Sounds like fun. I'm ready to go whenever you are.
Okay, work your magic.
Okay, one sec while I work on that. All right, here we go. In a city so grand, where the tall buildings loom, 2 lions, a monkey, and other animals bloom, with pumpkins and bats all around in the night. They stand so proud, a wonderful sight. Oh, what fun they have in this magical place, with smiles on their faces and joy in their space.
Thanks, Gemini. That was just too much fun.
Thank you. That was really incredible, right? And we did it all live. As you've just seen, Galaxy XR totally redefines how you discover and create. But that's not all. I'll show you how it's changing the way I watch, play, and connect with people.
And at the core of entertainment is great content. And what's amazing about Galaxy XR is that it not only offers completely new ways for you to experience all of the world's existing content, we're also offering new experiences that are only possible in XR. And YouTube is the home of not only 2D videos, but spatial content as well. We have a ton of VR 180, auto-spatialized, and 3D user-generated content.
As you can see, I'm opening up YouTube right now like this. And YouTube offers a whole range of spatial videos. The spatial tab right here is a curated set of some of the best VR 180 and 360 videos. Also, for the first time ever, we will have auto-spatialized content from the standard 2D content from your favorite YouTube creators. And thanks to our gorgeous immersive environments, my personal theater can be anywhere in the world. So while I'm watching golf, I can enjoy this scenic view with this sunset and these clouds. And I'm just gonna pull it right back up so that we can watch other videos too. There's also tons of VR 180 videos that I wanted to share with you guys, so why don't we take a look at this one. Gemini, where is this and what's the historic significance of this building?
That's the Royal Crescent in Bath, England. It's a famous row of 30 terraced houses built way back in the late 1700s. It's a really great example of Georgian architecture. Want to know more about its history?
That's okay, Gemini. Thank you.
As Jen is experiencing just a slice of Europe, you're all experiencing just a slice of YouTube XR. But up until now, we've been focused on just a single screen. What if you're like me? What if you love to watch multiple things at once, especially sports? That's where YouTube's new spatial multi-view feature comes into play, offering you a completely new way to watch.
As you can see, this is perfect for watching football. And I just love watching this multi-view. You can resize it, you can move it as much as you want, and you can have your favorite game play right in the middle like this, and keep track of the 3 games, and that way you don't have to miss a moment.
Honestly, this is how I've been watching sports pretty much every weekend for the last few months, and I can't imagine going back to watching in any other way. But entertainment doesn't just stop there. Galaxy XR supports apps from your favorite streaming services like Netflix. Some of my favorite movies and TV shows are Netflix originals, so let's take a look at what it's like to watch in XR.
I love Netflix, and I'm excited that the Netflix app is available on Galaxy XR. And, in fact, we're the only XR device with it. I can resize the windows just like this, and I can push it back just at the right distance so that I can enjoy my personal theater. This is actually perfect for some me time.
To reveal the most extraordinary story of all, the story of life on our planet.
But we see the future of entertainment as not only immersive, but also interactive. In XR, you can be placed directly into the experience and become a part of movies and shows. Imagine not only just watching, but being able to interact and talk with fictional characters. To showcase that, we're going to show you one of my favorites, the immersive interactive film Asteroid. This is directed by Doug Liman of The Bourne Identity and other blockbusters, and stars Haley Steinfeld and NFL wide receiver DK Metcalf. Jen, what do you think?
Sure. We'll show you what we mean by an interactive film.
And honestly, this is just a brief glimpse, a tip of the iceberg of what it's like to have a Gemini Live powered conversation with AI characters. It starts with DK calling.
And it seems like he's calling right now.
Hey there, this is DK Metcalf. Got a moment to chat?
Hi, DK. I'd love to chat. What's the premise of Asteroid, and what are you guys hunting down in the space?
It's nice to meet you too. Asteroid is about a group of folks going to space to mine for riches on an asteroid made of gold and precious gems called Psyche 23. My character is part of this crew, and we're all racing to get there before anyone else.
Oh, thanks. I wonder if 혹시 한국
No
팬들을
problem at
위해서
all. I hope you enjoy the movie.
한국 팬들을 위해서 한국말로 인사도 가능하실까요?
네, 그럼요. 한국 팬 여러분 안녕하세요. 영화 아스테로이드 재미있게 봐주세요.
Wow, that was so cool, DK. Well, I can't wait to watch the movie. I'm very excited.
That's awesome to hear. I really hope you have a great time. Oh, snap. Apologies, I have to cut you off here. Just heard the movie is ready to play. Thanks for the chat.
It's wild how DK is able to do live translation into Korean into his voice in real time. And now we're going to take a look as Jin looks around, a glimpse of the immersive movie Asteroid.
Hey guys, are we sure this thing's gonna be able to fly us back? I mean, it looks pretty bad. Stop whimpering. Go untie DK. Hey DK. Hey man. I'm really sorry, brother. Please don't hurt me.
Guys?
That's the Terminator line.
Huh?
Night. The temperature's gonna drop 250 degrees, so we should get going.
Untied him! He's untied!
Get over here! Not here now! I'm gonna get... Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! DK! Whoa, whoa!
Is this gold?
Jin, that looks incredible.
That was so amazing. I love watching films like this, being able to chat with the characters about their backstories and their perspectives. And the film looked amazing in the headset. I can't wait to watch the whole thing.
But we can go to the next level of interactivity as well. Galaxy XR, with its dual 4K displays, supports incredible gaming. Whether you're playing games natively on Android, we have almost all games available in Play. Whether you're streaming games in from your PC, or of course, fully immersive games. Here, you can see a PC game running on a Galaxy Book. It shows up as a spatial window in XR, so you can play while multitasking alongside any apps on the headset. With PC Link, you can bring your entire computer into XR, including any input methods, like a Bluetooth gamepad or even a keyboard and mouse. And one step further, you can even use XR controllers in fully immersive games running directly on the headset. But where things get really interesting is when we invite Gemini in as this AI gaming companion that can come with you pretty much anywhere across virtually any game that you can get into the headset. To take a look at what that looks like, we're going to go into one of my most played games ever, the wonderfully whimsical Stardew Valley.
Okay, Max, it seems like you're an expert here, but I'm really new to this game, and I will definitely need Gemini's help. So let me go ahead and bring her up. Hey there, I am totally new to this game. I have no idea what to do first. Any tips?
Looks like you're playing Stardew Valley. Your farm is pretty cluttered with trees, rocks, and weeds. You'll want to clear some of that out and till the soil so you can plant your first seeds.
Oh, I see. And what do I do with all this wood, Gemini?
You should chop down enough trees to gather 50 wood. Use that to craft a chest so you can store items you don't need to carry, which will free up inventory space.
Ooh, it seems like I'm getting the hang of it. But hey, if I want to get to Max's level, I need to think long term. Gemini, can you show me some long-term farming strategies on the web?
Got it. One moment, please. I've opened a web search for long-term strategies.
Just like a great coach, Gemini is the ultimate AI gaming companion. Not only can it help Jen with exactly what she's seeing in the context she's playing the game, it can do things like open up websites and videos so she can learn how to play while she plays. But sometimes, games are even more fun with friends.
That's right, and Galaxy XR enables me to communicate and stay connected with friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into my Meet. There's my gaming hangout. And let me go ahead and join right now. Hi, friends. It's so easy to share my screen, so I'm going to go ahead and do that so that they can see what I'm doing here.
Hi, Jen. You're playing Stardew Valley.
I am. I'm a little lost here, but Gemini did help me. She told me to gather enough woods and stuff. Any other tips you guys have?
You know what? Definitely build some chests for the mines.
Oh, thanks, Jewel. That sounds like a good plan. Jewel, by the way, oh my goodness, your avatar looks amazing.
Thank you.
It looks like Jewel is also joining from a headset. Avatars in Galaxy XR use advanced first-person perception to accurately track your facial expressions so you can feel more closely connected to the people you're talking with. Jewel is actually an avatar called Likeness from Google, and it's designed to resemble her. It's a feature that's coming soon. And Jin can also represent herself as an avatar. In this case, I think she's chosen her Samsung Galaxy avatar, which is a great option when you're trying to have some fun.
As you can see, this is how my friend saw me on the call. And I can customize what I'm wearing, and I can use this fun, expressive way of character across many other apps too. And just like Jewel, I always wanted pink hair, so I dyed it pink. As you can see, it's following my hand gestures, so I can go ahead and make a heart for you guys like this. So much fun. but I probably need to go. Thanks everyone for joining. Good time.
Bye, Jen.
Bye, Jen.
Bye-bye.
Amazing. Thanks, Jen. And for those of you looking to take the experience even further, optional 6 degrees of freedom controllers are available for those of you who want that high precision, high performance gaming experience. And you can also hook up a Bluetooth gamepad directly to the headset when you want to play your favorite 2D games. And for added convenience, there's an optional travel case to keep your headset, your battery, and all of your accessories safe while you're on the go. But this just gives you a brief glimpse as to what's possible in Galaxy XR. Powered by a multimodal conversational AI, XR is redefining not just how we discover and play, it's unleashing completely new experiences that are only possible on this form factor. We can't wait for you all to experience it for yourself live.
Beyond consumer use cases, we're excited how Galaxy XR can also be used by businesses. And to tell us more, please welcome Jerome.
Thank you. With XR, we're not just introducing new technology. We are empowering businesses to drive productivity and efficiency. In collaboration with Google and Qualcomm, we've brought together industry-leading software developers in areas like immersive collaboration, virtual training, and design to take advantage of all that Galaxy XR has to offer. Many top enterprise XR apps are coming to Android XR, with developers finding it an easy transition from already established platforms like Snapdragon Spaces. One of the most transformative applications of XR is in healthcare. To share how Galaxy XR will change the healthcare landscape, please welcome Dr. Patrick Schottker.
Hello, thank you for having me. I'm an anesthesiologist, and when I put my patients under general anesthesia, they stop breathing. Every day, I'm facing one of the most critical moments in patient care, intubation, which needs the introduction of a tube into the trachea to allow for artificial breathing. Traditionally, learning intubation has relied on mannequins, occasional clinical opportunities, and supervised repetition. But now, extended reality is transforming how we train. With XR, anesthesiologists can step into a fully immersive environment holding a virtual videolaryngoscope like the one developed by Medtronic. They can practice navigating clinical scenarios, different anatomies, visualizing vocal cords, inserting the tube, all with realistic haptic feedback and three-dimensional visuals. The benefit? Unlimited practice without risk to patients. Complex scenarios such as unexpected difficult airway or emergency intubation can be repeated until mastered. XR records every movement, allowing for immediate feedback. Was the angle correct? Was time minimized? Did the clinician avoid dental injury? Has the oxygen content always been enough? Has the virtual patient survived? For educators like myself, XR makes training scalable. Every resident or fellow can experience the same standardized cases rather than waiting for rare clinical events or access to educators themselves occupied in clinical care. And for learners, it builds both confidence and competence before ever entering the operating room. We are excited to be working with Samsung on advancing the frontiers of medical teaching. Thank you for being a valuable partner with us on this journey.
Thank you, Dr. Schottker. Galaxy XR's impact doesn't stop at medical training. It also extends into how products are designed and brought to life. Take Mondelez, the world's leader in biscuits and cookies. For a brand like Oreo, every package design and merchandising display matter. Using Shapes XR, designers are able to visualize packaging inside a virtual store, adjusting and testing how products are displayed, removing the need for physical mock-ups. Mondelez is also leveraging Galaxy XR's eye tracking to test designs directly with customers in a virtual store, gaining precise insights into where attention naturally goes on the shelf. On a much larger scale, Samsung Heavy Industries is using AI and XR to transform shipbuilding. From design to final construction, they are integrating live ship systems with XR overlays, giving workers step-by-step instructions directly in their field of view during training and operations. Samsung, Google, and Qualcomm continue to develop advanced mobile device management capabilities to make XR deployments scalable. Galaxy XR will soon support the Android Enterprise framework, including everything from app distribution to network configuration, to allow for efficient deployments at scale. We are laying the foundation for smarter, more connected, and more immersive enterprise experiences. This is just the beginning. And what comes next will reshape how businesses learn, operate, and innovate. With that, back over to Jay and Sharam.
A big thank you to all our presenters. Today marks a new chapter in innovation. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI and XR. From discovering new places and things and reliving favorite moments, to watching films or sports in an immersive environment, are your favorite apps like Netflix and YouTube, and even transferring ways of working. There are so many ways to take advantage of the infinite screens on Galaxy XR with Gemini as your companion. Galaxy XR will be available starting from October 21st in the US and Korea for $1,799. Or $149 a month for 12 months. But wait, there's more. At lunch, every Galaxy XR will come with the Explore Pack, which will let you enjoy the best of Android XR right out of the gate.
That's right, Jay. We want you all, as the earliest users of Galaxy XR and Android XR, to be able to take this journey with us. That's why, for a limited time, we're introducing the Explorer Pack. It's the ultimate package for you to explore what's possible on Galaxy XR. Let me take you through what it includes. As we've shown, Gemini is an integral part of the Galaxy XR experience, allowing you to control your apps, ask questions, and take action with just a conversation. To get the most out of Gemini, we're giving you 12 months of Google AI Pro on us. Galaxy XR gives you an incredible immersive watching experience, and this really shines with our YouTube app, reimagined for XR. To maximize your YouTube experience and access all of your 2D, 3D, and VR content ad-free, we're also including YouTube Premium for 12 months. This gives you access to YouTube Music's catalog of 300 million tracks without interruptions as well. Next, live TV, movies, and shows come alive on the infinite screen. If you're in the US, the Explorer Pack also includes YouTube TV for only $1 a month for 3 months. And for those in Korea, you'll get 6 months of TVing's premium plan. Watching sports is a unique experience in Galaxy XR, and the NBA season is just tipping off. So, we're offering those in the US the NBA League Pass for the entire season on us. And in Korea, you'll get 12 months of the Sports Pass from Coupang Play so you can immerse yourself in your favorite sports. Galaxy XR has access to millions of apps on Google Play. And to get you started, you'll also get Google Play Pass for 12 months, so you can try out over 1,000 2D games and apps without ads or in-app purchases. We're also really excited about the apps designed specifically for XR. Check out the Made for XR badge on Google Play. You'll see apps like Status Pro's NFL Pro Era, Project Pulsar from Adobe, Asteroid, and Calm, which we're also including in the Explorer pack. And that's alongside all the Google and Samsung apps we've reimagined for XR. We're really excited to begin this journey as explorers together. We're just getting started, and there'll be even more content and apps coming soon to Android XR. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sharon. Samsung's role is to take innovation to scale and move the concept of XR to everyday life. With Android XR, we're bringing powerful AI to the largest constellation of devices and services to deliver truly unique XR experiences. We're also really excited about the AI glasses that we're currently building together with Google. Imagine our Galaxy ecosystem of AI phones, watches, and rings becoming the hub and input devices. One more thing. We're working with two of the most forward-thinking brands in eyewear, Warby Parker and Gentle Monster, to introduce new devices that fit into your lifestyle. We brought mobile AI to millions of people, and we will continue with XR. This is the exciting future that awaits. So, stay tuned. Thank you.